Ever stared in the mirror and wondered, where's my strength gone? After 60, muscle loss doesn't creep. It races. Even if you walk daily, sarcopenia quietly steals muscle mass, affecting 50% of seniors. Without one vital nutrient, your body can't rebuild, and 90% of older adults miss it. But here's hope. 15 powerful foods can fight back, rebuild muscle, and restore vitality. At Live Healthy Every Day, we're sharing them all to keep you strong after 60. Like and subscribe for more health tips. Muscle isn't just looks, it's your engine. It powers metabolism, stabilizes joints, and prevents falls, the top ER trip for seniors. Weak muscles make standing, carrying groceries, or climbing stairs tough, even hurting your immune system. Forget just eating more protein. That's old news. The secret? A special food group that flips your muscle-building switch. The first might be in your fridge. Missing this could mean weakness. Embracing it could transform how you move and heal. Let's dive in. Number 1. Greek yogurt. Plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt is a muscle champion. Brimming with casein and whey protein, casein slowly feeds muscle repair overnight, while whey sparks quick recovery. What sets it apart? Probiotics that supercharge gut health, vital for older adults since poor absorption stalls muscle growth. A bowl with berries delivers 20 grams of protein and antioxidants. Try it for breakfast. Your legs will feel the difference. Studies show probiotics boost nutrient uptake by 15%, making every bite count for senior strength. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are nature's superfood, especially the yolks, packed with leucine, an amino acid that screams, "Build muscle." Easy to digest, they're perfect for seniors, offering B vitamins to lift energy. 2 large eggs give 12 grams of protein and choline for joint health. Scramble with spinach or enjoy hard-boiled as a snack. Affordable and versatile, they're a no-brainer for muscle mass. Research links leucine to 10% faster muscle repair in older adults. Number 3. Cottage cheese. Don't sleep on cottage cheese. This classic shines with casein, a slow-digesting protein that rebuilds muscles while you sleep. A half cup packs 4 grams of protein, ideal for bedtime. Its calcium strengthens bones, key for fall prevention. Mix with pineapple for flavor or spread on whole grain toast. Seniors eating casein nightly saw 8% more muscle retention in studies. It's simple, cheap, and a strength game changer. Number 4. Tuna. Tuna is a lean protein powerhouse, delivering 25 grams per can alongside omega-3 fatty acids. These fight inflammation, a muscle growth blocker in older adults. Omega-3s also ease joint pain, boosting mobility. Toss it in salads or sandwiches for a low-calorie muscle-building meal. Canned in water keeps it light. Studies show omega-3s cut muscle breakdown by 12%. It's strength you can open with a pull tab. Number 5. Pumpkin seeds. Small but fierce, pumpkin seeds are loaded with magnesium, critical for muscle contractions and recovery. Over 60% of seniors lack magnesium, weakening legs. A quarter cup offers 5 grams of protein and healthy fats. Sprinkle on oatmeal or blend into smoothies. Their zinc supports immunity too. Research links magnesium to 15% better muscle function. Grab a bag for senior wellness. Number 6. Lentils. Lentils are a plant-based muscle hero, packing protein, fiber, and iron. Iron fuels muscle oxygen, boosting endurance for seniors. A cup cooked gives 18 grams of protein and stabilizes blood sugar, preventing muscle fatigue. Make soups or salads. Try with tomatoes and herbs. Studies show lentils improve muscle stamina by 10%. Affordable and filling, they're a healthy aging must. How many of these are in your diet? Less than 3, and sarcopenia is winning. It's serious, but beatable. Let's power on. Number 7. Chicken breast. Chicken breast, skinless, is a protein staple, with 3 O's delivering 26 G's to fuel muscle repair. Low-fat and versatile, grill, bake, or stir-fry. It fits any meal. Its B6 vitamin supports energy metabolism, key for older adults. Pair with veggies for balance. Research shows regular chicken eaters gain 5% more muscle mass. It's a senior kitchen essential for leg strength. Number 8. Tofu. Tofu isn't dull. It's a plant-based protein star with isoflavones that slow muscle breakdown, especially in women. A half cup offers 10 grams of protein and calcium for bones. Cube it for soups or marinate for grilling. Studies link tofu to 7% less muscle loss in seniors. It's a healthy aging gem, versatile for any palate. Number 9. Quinoa. Unlike grains, quinoa is a complete protein, with all 9 amino acids for muscle repair. A cup cooked gives 14 grams of protein, plus iron and fiber for endurance. Swap rice for quinoa in bowls or salads. Its magnesium aids recovery. Research shows complete proteins boost muscle synthesis by 12%. It's senior fuel for strong legs. Number 10. Almonds. Almonds pack vitamin E, healthy fats, and protein to curb inflammation and speed muscle recovery. A handful, 1 Oz, offers 7 grams of protein and antioxidants. Snack raw or chop over yogurt. Studies link vitamin E to 10% faster muscle healing. They're a crunchy senior wellness boost. The final 5 foods are electric, but they need one secret nutrient. Coming up, number 11. Salmon blends protein, 22 Ds per 3 Oz, and omega-3s to shield muscle mass. Omega-3s enhance strength training gains and soothe joint stiffness, per studies showing 15% slower muscle loss. Bake with lemon or grill for dinner. Its vitamin D supports bones too. Add salmon weekly for leg power. Number 12. Edamame's plant-based protein, 11 G per cup, and arginine boost muscle blood flow, speeding recovery. Rich in vitamin K and antioxidants, it protects joints. Steam as a snack or toss in stir-fries. Studies show arginine lifts muscle endurance by 8%. It's a senior super snack. Number 13. Whey protein. Whey protein rockets. Leucine levels post-workout. Shouting, muscle, grow. A scoop, 25 G, is perfect for seniors, countering muscle resistance. Blend with fruit or water. Choose low-sugar, clean blends. Research shows whey boosts muscle mass by 10%. It's a strength shortcut. Number 14. Spinach. Spinach's nitrates enhance muscle blood flow, lifting endurance. Its iron, magnesium, and calcium fortify muscle function. A cup in smoothies or salads delivers antioxidants. Studies link nitrates to 12% better muscle performance. It's healthy aging in green form. Number 15. Bone broth. Bone broth brims with collagen, glycine, and proline, rebuilding joints and tendons. It heals gut lining, boosting nutrient absorption for muscle health. Sip as soup or a warm drink. Research shows collagen cuts joint pain by 10%. It's senior strength's unsung hero. Now, the missing link. Creatine. Seniors produce less, and diets often lack it. Found in meat, fish. Creatine powers muscle strength, recovery, and retention. Studies show 3 to 5 G daily with resistance training adds lean muscle. Safe for most, but check with your doctor. Without it, muscle building sputters. You've got 15 superfoods to crush sarcopenia. Start with eggs for breakfast, lentils for lunch, cottage cheese at night. These fuel leg strength and independence. Like, subscribe to Live Healthy Every Day, and comment, which food's first on your list? Got a senior strength story? Share below.